Hello my friends, again this is Forest Family Life and Sergi with you. Alright my friends, look at this log. My tractor couldn't pick it up. We have huge logs, so I have to cut to the smaller pieces such as like 53-inch. I can't even cut longer because my tractor couldn't lift at all, so I just managed to make the size that tractor can pick it up. And this is the crazy big log. This one is 26, almost 26 inches wide. It's a crazy. And now we're gonna try to mill it. What we're gonna do, we have to take off part of the log, then we're gonna try to flip it and continue cutting. But this one is crazy big log. I don't know. Let's mill and see how it's gonna look inside. Look at this thing is only 24. Actually, no, not 24. I can maximum cut right here. It looks like about 24 inch. 24 inch. That's my maximum length. 23. Alright, we just made a cut. Let's look it up and see how it's gonna look like. I need to bring the tractor to remove this top. It's gonna be heavy.
That looks really good.
That's a beauty.
So clean.
Absolutely. Alright, so we're gonna try to turn half and see, but I don't know how we're gonna turn that thing. That's a huge log.
Yeah, let's start thinking how we're gonna churn it.
Yeah.
Well, we'll come back in a minute.
Yeah.
You guys, so we have a little dilemma with this log. We managed to turn it to the side, like so, but the sawmill part was left on the wrong side.
And we're gonna just back down.
Yep.
So decided it's gonna be easier to remove blade, put it back, and install blade back than turning this log. It was so heavy.
Yeah, it was really heavy to do. So hopefully we're doing the right thing.
Yeah. So gonna be.
Yeah. So the whole machine would pass. Just the blade is right here. Yeah. Some bloopers is also included in the video.
Yep. Okay. So. Alright, so we just remove the blade to make the head back to the home position.
Okay. Now it's in the right spot.
Yeah, and now we're gonna be reinstalling the blade.
Hopefully after this one, we're not gonna have this same mistake again, right?
Yeah.
Yep, this huge log. So this, it was a one really long, thick log, which he had to cut into 3 equal pieces. So this is 1/3 of the big log.
Yep.
Super heavy, super thick.
Go show it. There is 2 more logs down there that we have to cut it.
Yeah, I guess I'm gonna do that right now. So this area is finally gonna be clear of logs. Hopefully by tonight we're gonna finish these 2 as well. So the first piece that we're cutting right now was right here, and it was the thickest part. Right here. It was 26 inches wide on the longest, on the thickest side. And these 2 look a little bit thinner, narrower. Yep. Except for this, this stump has not really even. Gonna have to cut off some limbs so it goes on the sawmill nicely. And this is a piece of some other log that we cut a little while ago. Some stump, big stump left. So these slabs gonna have one straight side and one live edge side. We just had another hiccup in this with this log. So the sawmill was going up to this point and it got stuck because of the edge. It just wouldn't pass through. So we did a little mistake by not stopping on time, and the blade came out. Just had some issues with it.
Yeah, then I have to kind of reinstall everything, but I managed to pass back. So I hope now it's going to be easier. Yeah, that's what you do. That's the problem when you deal.
Problem solving.
Yeah, the problem. But another problem is do not cut oversized log for this machine. This machine maximum can take 22-inch log. If you go over 22,
we're going over the capacity of this machine.
Yeah. Well, but still managed to cut. I did manage to kind of have to kind of get rid of it. I was waiting too long to cut this. I always was scared to make a cut, and today I managed.
Yeah. Today we're facing the fears.
Yeah,
right?
facing the fears. Yeah, correctly. Like this log is gonna be easier to cut with the 36-inch machine than not the 22.
Yeah.
Wow, that's heavy. Oops. Oh, this looks beautiful and heavy. Can't even move. Oh, did anyone cut? Oh, I actually.
It is cut.
Yeah, I just pulled it.
So heavy.
Yeah. Yes. That's.
So this is where we got stuck.
Yeah, come
But
on.
still,
Yeah, it looks
pretty
still
straight,
good,
right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Almost no work.
Yeah, make a square.
So we're gonna cut into 2-inch slabs, correct?
Square,
Yeah. Look at that.
Here's the thing I want to point out. Yeah, we're just not gonna be cutting to the smaller pieces or square or something, because it's so heavy to turn and it's not worth it. So it's just worth it. It's better for me with the manual mill to cut into the slabs than cutting to the smaller pieces, because it's too heavy all the time to turning. If you have another machine that automatically can turn your logs, then you can cut many different sizes, kind of like a smaller ones if you have huge log. But if you have like this machine where you have to do it manually, it's better just to cut slabs. Easier on the hands. That way you're gonna have less physical turns of this huge log.
So we just turn it over again. So this is the final side, how it's gonna be. This is a good height for the sawmill, as you can tell. And now the slab cutting is gonna start. Just gonna go for slabs right now. Gorgeous slabs, look at that. I can't believe we're done with this log.
I have one more cut.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
right.
one more piece, but this should be
You have the top part
top
of
part.
one. Wow, this would make great tabletops, right?
Oh yeah, this is going to be such a beautiful file.
It's too wide for a shelf. Unless it's like a huge house, I don't know.
But for coffee table, it's
For,
a beautiful
yeah,
size.
or like entryway table.
Yeah.
That'd be
This is
so beautiful.
I wish I can cut a little bit wider, but this machine can't do that.
Yeah.
So.
It's a beginner's
Yeah,
machine.
this is beginner machines, yeah. But it's doing the job. The biggest thing is you can cut logs. That's the big thing.
Yeah.
You can look with this machine. You still cut hardwood, such as hickory. I managed to cut hickory. I managed to cut this white oak, red oak, similar logs, a little bit smaller ones. I just have this one oversized log, and I still look like you see. We managed to split it. Alright guys, this is it. We managed to cut and enjoying looking at this beautiful log. Look at that. We have two more, but they're going to be a little bit smaller because this is the more widest part. It was the widest log from those three.
Looks so good.
Yeah.
With natural light.
Mm-hmm.
Especially when you put water on it. So this is kind of like when you put just the protective oil, right?
Yep,
like
yep,
natural
let's see,
color.
yeah, natural color. Look at that. Oh, this one has big crack. Yeah, this one is.
Oh,
really big
it's
crack,
split
yeah.
right there in the middle.
This is probably going to be split. Oh. But biggest part should be fine. So still, you can make a, let's say, cut right here, and remove that part that's split, and this is it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Looks very nice. So time to go. Put it for storing so it starts air drying.
All right, my friends, this is it. I think we're done for today. This log take me some energy. It was super heavy. We have to use two hands, my wife and me. She helping me some kind of controlling to turn that huge log. So we managed to do it. I don't know what you think. Leave your comment, leave your thought. And we're gonna be finishing this video for today, and we'll see you guys at the next video. Have a good day.